Hello friends, welcome to Agri Exam. Agri Exam is here to have a discussion on 10 MCQ questions which will be very useful for all the agri competitive exam. So without any delay, let's start this video. Question number first, which of the following crops has higher water use efficiency? And the options are rice, finger millet, maize and wheat, and the correct option it is option second, that is finger millet. Finger millet, it is the crop which has the higher water use efficiency. Water use efficiency, it is defined as the yield of marketable crop produced per unit of water which is used in evapotranspiration, that is WUE, it is equal to Y upon ET. Here Y stands for marketable yield which is expressed in kg per hectare, and ET, it is evapotranspiration which is expressed in mm. In case of finger millet, the water use efficiency, it is 13.4 kg per hectare mm, and that's the reason finger millet has higher water use efficiency, because rice has 3 kg per hectare mm water use efficiency, maize has 8 kg per hectare mm water use efficiency, and wheat has 12.6 kg per hectare mm water use efficiency. That's the reason the finger millet, it is the crop which has the higher water use efficiency. Next question, question number 2, cow milk is generally richer than buffalo milk in. Options are fat, carotene, mineral and protein, and the correct answer is carotene. Cow milk, it is generally richer than buffalo milk in carotene. Third question, modern dwarf varieties of wheat are sown at the depth of, and the options are 3 to 5 centimeter, 5 to 6 centimeter, 6 to 8 centimeter, 8 to 10 centimeter and 10 to 12 centimeter. And the correct answer is 5 to 6 centimeter. The dwarf wheat, they should be sown only at the depth of 5 to 6 centimeter because they have their shorter coleoptile. If the wheat, it is sown at the depth of 8 to 10 centimeter, it will result in poor germination and reduced yield. Next question, question number 4. Butterfly possess dash type of antenna, and the options are filiform, serrate, moniliform and clavate, and the correct option is clavate. Clavate type of antenna, it is present in butterfly. In case of clavate antenna, the terminal segments of antenna, they form the club shaped structure, and the examples of clavate antenna, it is butterfly as well as blister beetle. In case of filiform, the thread-like antenna in which all the segment of antenna, they are uniform in thickness, and the example is grasshopper. In serrate type of antenna, the saw-tip like projection on side of each segment, and the example it is pulse beetle. And in case of moniliform, all segments, they are globular in shape and they form a prominent construction between the joints, and the example is termites. Question number 5th, where is the maximum consumption of bamboos in India? And the answer is pulp making. For pulp making, there is a maximum consumption of bamboos in India. Question number 6, coal crops, they belongs to the family, and the options are crucifery, solanaceae, umbelliferae, and fourth, it is none of this. And the correct answer, it is crucifery. Coal crops belongs to the family of crucifery. Coal, it is derived from the colewort. Colewort, it is the ancestor of wild cabbage. Coal crops, they are cold weather crops and they are capable of frost, and examples are cabbage, cauliflower, Brussels sprout. Question number 7th, the scientific name of cabbage is, and the answer is Brassica oleracea var capitata. It is the scientific name of cabbage. Cabbage ranks third in the means India ranks third in the production of cabbage. The fruit of cabbage it is known as head, whereas the fruit type of cabbage it is siliqua. Next question, question number 8. The Ranicate disease of full it is spread through, and the options are virus, fungi, bacteria, all of this, and fifth option is none of this, and the correct answer it is virus. Ranicate disease it is also known in the West as Newcastle disease. It is a contagious and it is a highly fatal disease of flies. The symptoms they vary accordingly to the age of the affected birds. 9th question. The percentage of nitrogen in ammonium sulfate fertilizer is, and the options are 23, 35, 45 and 21, and the correct answer is 21% of nitrogen it is present in ammonium sulfate fertilizer. Ammonium sulfate contains 21.5% of nitrogen and 23.4% of sulfur. Ammonium sulfate has good handling as well as good storage qualities. Our last question, it is question number 10. The family of weed Piaceae is, and the correct answer is second, Liliaceae. This weed belongs to the family of Liliaceae. So friends, this was the very important 10th question, which will be very useful for all the upcoming agri competitive exam. For more such videos, stay connected with Agri Exam. Thank you.